Hello everyone, I am Arivalahi from Besant Technologies. Welcome to our session. For more videos, subscribe our channel. For notifications, hit the bell icon. This is the session 3 for Python series. Now let's discuss about operators and types of operators. First, what is operators? Operators are special symbols. Okay, so what is the usage of operators? Operators are used to perform operations on operands. Okay, what is operands? The value that the operator operates on is called the operand. For example, here 4 plus 5. 4 is what? Left operand, and what is 5? This is the right operand. In between the operands, I have the plus symbol. This is the operator. Okay, this operator operates on these two operands. So what is the result? 9. So this is called totally expression. Okay, what are the types of operators available in Python language? Arithmetic operators, comparison operators, logical operators, bitwise operators, identity operators, membership operators, and assignment operators. We will see one by one. First one, arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators are used with numeric values to perform common mathematical operations. What are the operators? Belongs to this category: plus, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus, floor division, and exponent. So this is the example program for arithmetic operations. Now I execute this one. Here this is the output. Addition of x and y. So x value is 20, y value is 10. So this is the output for this statement. And subtraction 10. And then x into y 200. And here division, it returns what? The quotient value. But what is the difference between this division and this floor division? It returns the float value. It returns the whole number. This is the difference between division and floor division. But both the operators returns the same quotient value. Okay, and here modulo operator. So modulo operator returns the remainder value. So 20 divided by 10. What is the remainder value? 0. And here x to the power y. Okay, what symbol is this? This is the exponent. So 10 to the power 20. So what is the output for that statement? This one. Okay. The next, comparison or relational operators. It is used to compare two operands. What are the operators? Belongs to this category: double equal, exclamation with equal, that is not equal, greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to. We will see the example program. So here I have initialized x as 10 and y as 20. So what is this? S is equal to y. If the values of x and y are equal, means it returns true. So what is the value of x? 10. What is the value of y? 20. So this statement returns false. Let me execute this one. So this statement returns false. And here x not equal to y. So 10 not equal to 20. So after evaluation, what is the output for this statement? True only, because 10 is not equal to 20. So it returns true. And here x greater than y. So what is this? 10 greater than 20. So it automatically returns what? False. And x less than y. After evaluating this expression, what I will get? True only, because x value is 10 less than 20. So what is the output? True. Here I have initialized x as 10 and y as 10. So after evaluate this statement, what is the output? X value is what? 10. 10 greater than or equal to y value is also 10. This statement returns true only. And here x less than or equal to y. That means 10 less than or equal to 10. After evaluating this expression, what is the output? True only. The next one, logical operators. Logical operators operate on Boolean expressions to combine the results of these Boolean expression into a single Boolean value. Let's take x as 10. Okay, here AND operator, OR operator and NOT operator. These three operators belongs to logical operators. So AND operator, first we will see AND operator. AND operator returns true if both the statements are true. So here, what is the value of x? 10. 10 less than 5. So it returns what? False only. AND operator. And then x value is 10. 10 less than 10. So it returns false only. So what is the output? False. Because if both the inputs are true only, the output will be true. And here the next operator OR returns true if one of the statements is true. So here what is the value of x? 10. 10 less than 5. So it returns what? False. Here I have used the logical OR operator. X value is 10. 10 less than 4. Returns what? Again false. False means what is the output? False only. And NOT operator, reverse the result, returns false if the result is true. So the value of x is 10. 10 less than 5 returns what? False. And x less than 10, it returns false. So false and false returns what? False. Because here I have used the AND operator. So not false means what is the output? True only. Reverse the result. So logical operators are AND, OR and NOT operator. The next operator is bitwise operators. In Python, bitwise operators are used to perform bitwise calculations on integers. The integers are first converted into binary and then operations are performed on bit by bit. Hence the name bitwise operators. Then the result is returned in decimal format. What are the operators belongs to this category? Bitwise AND operator, bitwise OR operator, bitwise exclusive OR operator, bitwise NOT operator, bitwise left shift operator and bitwise right shift operator. We will see the example program. This is the example program for bitwise operators. Let me execute this one. So first one, I have used bitwise AND operator. I have initialized a variable as 10 and b variable as 4. Here I have used the bitwise AND operator. So if I implement this bitwise AND means if both the inputs are true only, I will get output as true. Okay. After evaluate this expression, I will get this is the output. Okay. And again the interpreter change this binary value into its equivalent decimal. So what is the output for this statement? 0. And here I have used what? The bitwise OR operator. The same procedure. This is the binary equivalent to for 10 and this is the binary equivalent to for this 4 decimal value. After evaluate this, what I will get? This is my output. Okay. So here I have used what? Bitwise OR operator. If we use bitwise OR operator means if any one of the input is true, the output will be true. So this is my output. Okay. And again the interpreter converts this binary into its equivalent decimal. So what is the output for this statement? This one. And then XOR. Here I have used the XOR. The same procedure, this decimal value will be converted into what? Binary, and 7 will be converted into this value. Okay, binary value. And I have used what? Bitwise exclusive OR. What is the truth table for XOR? If both the inputs are same, we will get output as false. If both the inputs are not same, output will be true, isn't it? So I just apply that truth table for these values. So this is my output. What is the decimal equivalent for this binary? 12. So output is 12. So the next bitwise not operator. Okay. So here I have initialized 234 to a variable, and here I have used the inbuilt method, bin method. This method returns the binary equivalent of the given decimal. Okay, and here this statement result is what? This one. So this is the binary equivalent for this 234. Here I have used the formula. So tilde of a is equivalent to what? Minus of a plus 1. What is the value of a? 234. So 234 plus 1, 235. So minus of 235 is the output. Okay. So this is my output for tilde of a. That means bitwise not operator. Okay. And then left shift operator. What is this? This is the left shift operator. I have initialized 10 as a. Okay, here I have used the bin inbuilt method. It returns the binary value for the given decimal. So what is the output? This one. So 10 binary value is what? This one. And here I have used what? Left shift operator. So this operator is used to move the bits of this binary into 2 times. Okay, so the right operand decide how many bits will be moved towards the left side. Okay, after moving the bits towards the left side by 2 bits, I will get this one, 40. Okay, and here right shift operator. Bits are moved towards the right side for right shift operator. Okay, but all the procedures were same. First, this number, that means this is the integer number, decimal number. So this decimal number will be converted into binary value, and the bits are moved towards the right side by 2 bits. Due to this movement, we will get the new binary value. Again, the interpreter converts that binary into the decimal. This is the output for this statement. So what are the bitwise operators we have seen? Bitwise AND operator, bitwise OR operator, bitwise XOR operator, bitwise complement or not operator, bitwise left shift operator, and bitwise right shift operator. Okay, next one, membership operators. The membership operators are used to test whether a value is found within a sequence. There are 2 types of membership operators. One is in membership operator. Then second one is not in membership operator. In membership operator evaluates to true if the value in the left operand appears in the sequence found in the right operand. Not in membership operator evaluates true if the value in the left operand does not appear in the sequence found in the right operand. You will see the example. Here I have the collection of elements 10, 20, 30. So what data type is this? This is the list. Here I have initialized x value as 50. Here I have used membership operator in. So this in operator checks whether this x value is present inside this list. If it is present, it returns true. If it is not present, it returns false. So this 50 is not present inside the list elements. So it returns what? False only. Let me execute this one. So false. Next one, x not in L. So it checks whether the x value is not present inside the list elements. If it is not present only, it returns true. So this 50 is not present inside this list elements. So my output is what? True. Is it clear? Next operator, identity operators. The identity operators in Python are used to determine whether a value is of a certain class or type. Okay, so we have 2 types of identity operators. One is is identity operator. Another one is not identity operator. Is identity operator returns true if the type of the value in the right operand points to the same type in the left operand. Is not identity operator returns true if the type of the value in the right operand points to a different type than the value in the left operand. If you see the example, you will be clear. I have used the type of method. What is the usage of type of method? It returns the data type of the given operand. So what is the data type of this value? Float, isn't it? So type of 7.8 returns float. Float is float. It returns what? True only. Let me execute this one. So here, true. And type of 8 returns what? The data type of the 8 value is integer only. So integer is float? No, isn't it? So it returns what? False only. So this is the output. And here 7 plus 3j. What data type is this? Complex. Complex is not str. So it returns what? True only. And type of Besant. So Besant is what? This is the string, isn't it? What type is this? This is the string data type. So type of Besant returns str. Str is not str. Returns what? False only. Okay. So here we have used is identity operator and is not identity operator. Up to this clear? Then assignment operators. So these operators or belongs to this category. Equal sign. Example, x is equal to 5. What is this? This is the assignment operator. Okay. And add and assign, subtract and assign, multiply and assign, division and assign, modulo operator and assign, floor division and assign, exponent and assign, bitwise and assign, bitwise or and assign, bitwise XOR and assign, bitwise right shift and assign, bitwise left shift and assign. Here add and assign. So here I have used what? Add and assign operator. This statement is same as what? X is equal to x plus 3. So both the statements are equal. Okay. Both the statement returns the same result. I have initialized x as 10. X is equal to x plus 10. Now the value of x will be updated to what? 10 plus 10, 20. So instead of I write like this, I write this statement. X add and assign 10. Both the statement returns the same result. Okay. So here this is what? Assignment operator and this is what? Add and assign operator. Likewise all the remaining operators. Okay. So let me execute this one. So here what is the output for this statement? 20. X value is what? 10. 10 plus 10, 20. Here also the same. X add and assign 10. That means x is equal to x plus 10. So what is the output? 20. So we got the same outputs. Okay, what are the topics we have covered in this session? Types of operators. What are the types of operators we have seen? Arithmetic operators, comparison operators, logical operators, bitwise operators, identity operators, membership operators, and finally assignment operators. Thank you everyone. For more videos, subscribe our channel. For notifications, hit the bell icon. Have a nice day.